What's this now? What's this?
You have another installation.
Of?
K&N.
You got a filter?
Yeah, we got it the other day. I didn't show it to you?
Wait. You actually went on the computer and got oh, okay. I was gonna say.
Your mother did. On a computer. I don't even have cell phone.
That's the next gen, or is it just a regular?
No, it's the next Tracy.
Is it a regular cold air intake?
No.
Or is it the next gen?
It's the next Jennifer.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
Alright, what do we got in here? You broke the other side?
I didn't break it. Who says I broke it? Just put it in, it'll stick and open the box.
Stickers, catalog, tube. You got these.
Yeah, you gotta have them.
And the most thing that makes this whole thing work, instructions.
It helps.
See, this kit doesn't only work for the brand new Sierra. It's 2019 to 2026 Silverado and Sierra. Silverado is the Chevy version, Sierra is the GMC version. 2021 to 2026 Tahoe and Yukon. Again, Tahoe's Chevy, Yukon is GMC, Suburban, Escalade, all that. And it's good for 5.3 liter to 6.2 liter V8s.
And
V8
that's
only.
one kit, right?
Yep, that works with all those cars.
Disconnect the mass air sensor electronic connection.
You have to be so delicate with these things. And there you go. Here's your throttle body.
You got to take this off.
Why? Because the tube probably for fresh air.
Yeah.
You know what happens if you lose these bolts? They're gone. Pop it out with the screwdriver. See? The power of when a car's new, the clips actually work with you.
All right,
this we won't be using either.
I think you need the grommets though, so don't go too far. In the meantime, I'll make the crankcase vent breather hose. I'll take care of this one. Okay, so we're kind of mimicking this hose right here. Look, this goes here. See?
Now, see this bracket? This can get a little confusing. It goes the way you don't think it goes. Slide it into here. Now, this doesn't stay like this like it was before. It lays down like that. Now, if you remember when I took it off, the air filter housing gets bolted on here, and that's how the bracket gets screwed on with the air filter housing. And this goes into here. See, you got these on over here.
Okay, that's this tube right here. Don't forget to put your intake tube back in. All right, you need a clip. Yep.
See these? You know why they give you two? You only need one. This one is for a 5.3 liter.
Yeah.
This one's for a 6.2.
If you look at it, they have a smaller intake hole. See? This one's smaller. This one's the same size as your.
Right. This is a little trick I do. When they paint the clamps, the paint gets in the threads.
There you go. See? They jam up with the paint. There you go. Go put that on.
And it runs underneath And there you go. All your old clips back in. That's why it's good to not break them. Put the old ones back in. Don't have to worry, oh, are they gonna fit? If GM put these clips, if it's strong enough for them, it's strong enough for me. Right?
Yeah.
See this bracket?
Yeah.
This is for the air filter tube, the old one.
Right.
This is not required for the K&N setup.
Okay.
But I'm still gonna put it on because these holes is for a wiring harness to clip on, so you don't have wires hanging.
Yeah, you don't
around.
want stuff dangling around. That's not my
That's one
professional
thing
way to do
I
it.
don't do.
I think you got another one too, don't you?
And then you got another one down here.
One in?
That one in. There you go. Now,
All set.
there's still one big step we still need to do.
What step?
Stick his.
You're gonna put that out? Very nice. All right, here, let's start it off.
Now you start it. Taking over the world. Hey.
One air filter housing from K&N at a time.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.